So in this video, we'll see how we can manage navigation menu, like navigation in header and footer, how we can change it. Like currently, this is my Shopify website. Here you see there are some menu in header and some menu in footer. So we want to see how we can change this menu element, how we can change link or add some pages or anything, how we can manage. In the previous video, we have seen that how we can create pages in Shopify. Now, in this video, we'll see how we can add menu. For that, go to online store. Here you will see navigation option. If you don't see navigation option, you can directly search here and type navigation. You can directly go there. Here you see navigation. You can go by any method. Now here, you can create multiple menu. There is no limitation. Here you can see but as of now I have created only two menu. Here you see main menu and footer menu. If you want to create new menu, you can click on create menu and just create it. Very simple. Now suppose this is my main menu. This is here. Okay. I want to change it. How I can change it here? Okay. You can see delete, edit option is showing, even add option is showing. If you want to edit it, want to change link or link to some other pages, you can change from here. This is catalog. Like suppose I want to add about us. For that, go on link. Here you can see all the pages and about us. Add it. Now one more thing. Suppose you want to add sub menu. For that, what you can do? Go on add menu. Select the sub menu you want to add. I will go on collection character. Now what I will do? I will just left click in and drag it and pick inside again. See character. If you want to add more sub menu, you can add from here. Very simple, very easy to add and manage. You can add multiple menu as per your requirement. Here you see. So, and if you want to create another sub menu inside it, you can also do that. Just drag it, and here you see there are three level of sub menu. Sorry, two level of sub menu here. You can see. Then create multi-level of menu as per your requirement. Okay. As of now, I will create a single level. This is my. Sorry, can't leave it blank. Just here, save it. Now your menu is created. Very simple. You can similarly change the footer menu, like if you want to add any pages like polish, there are multiple options you can add, and even you can add some custom links. So there is no limitation. Like suppose you want to add custom links, to type that label. I will add custom link and just paste that link here. Suppose http. This is some link. hello.com. Suppose I want to add it. Here you can see, just click on it. It is added now. Save it. I will show you on front end. Go back here. Now let's go on front end and see if it is menu showing or not. Here in home page, here you can see even I have added sub menu and all menu changes are showing. Now in footer, I have added a custom. When I click on it here, click on it, it will redirect me to hello.com. You can easily add menu in your Shopify website. So that's very simple, easy to manage. Thank you for watching. In another video, we'll see how we can add blog post and change some preferences. I will show you in another video. So that's all. Let's go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.